paper planes! Why don't we make an envelope today without using any scissor? So, let's take an A4 size paper and fold it like this. Now, it's time for us to fold this rectangular part upwards. Now, why don't we make another triangle on the left bottom corner? This is lovely. Once we are done with that, let's go ahead with the next step, which is folding it inwards from the left side. We need to make sure that our folds are crisp. Now, why don't we fold it from the top? Again, let's make sure that our folds are crisp. Now, why don't we open this? And then flip it the other side. Now, we have to start folding it from the right bottom corner. Once we are done with that, why don't we fold it till this line? And now, fold it on top of it once again. Why don't we repeat the same step once again? Till the time we get a very thin strip. Now, let's open it and try making it like a fan fold. Now, let's open it and try making it like a fan fold. Now, let's turn it on the other side. Well, it's time for us to fold the entire envelope properly. So, let's start folding it. Let's fold this upwards and stick it with the glue. Well, if you see, we have another flap from the top as well. This looks lovely. We have a design and a beautiful envelope. Now, it's time for us to decorate it. Why don't we take our sketch pen and start decorating it beautifully? Let's give it a beautiful outline. And now it's time for us to make beautiful polka dots. You can also create whichever design you like. And our beautiful envelope is ready. Why don't you use this to gift things to your friends? That would be lovely.
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
I hope you had a lot of fun, friends. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. See you next time.